Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make a playlist public on Soundcloud. Now if you want to make your playlist public on Soundtrack, simply follow the steps. Step 1. Go to your playlist. So you open the Soundcloud app or website and navigate to the playlist you want to make public. Step 2. Open the playlist menu. So you do this by clicking on the 3 vertical dots, that is 3 dots at the top right corner of the playlist page. Step 3. Select make playlist public. Now when you click on the 3 dots at the top right corner, you are going to see a menu that will appear, and in that menu choose the option labeled make the playlist public, and that's all it takes. Your playlist is now public and visible to anyone on SoundCloud. Now note something: when you make a playlist public, it does not automatically make the tracks within it public. If any track in your playlist are set to private, they will not be visible to others even if the playlist itself is public. So you can always change the privacy settings of your playlist back to private at any time using the same steps. So by following these simple steps, you can share your musical selection with the wider SoundCloud community. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.